In Rhino, the most important thing, as the commands can change from project to project, are looking at the views. So we have 4 views here, and we'll go over how to use the view interface very simply before going to the commands, because I think definitely you want to be able to navigate around your model. Your model is going to be the thing that's going to be, of course, you're saving to, and you'll have always a 3D view, and your left mouse button will be able to select something that's in the window. Your right mouse button in your perspective command is for orbiting around. It's for panning around in your top view or your orthographic views, your top, front, and right. And your middle mouse button in the perspective view opens this little tooltips for some quick commands. And if you want to pan in your perspective view, you'll be clicking down Shift and your right mouse button. And so since Shift is the the middle mouse button will open up the options in these other views, but usually the right or the left mouse button will of course open the selection window, and the right will be working on panning in any of these. And you can use the scroll on the middle mouse button to zoom in and out. That works also in your 3D view. And one way of course going into a view and really focusing is by double clicking on it. You can always double click on it again to go back to see all of these other views that are available. You can plus to add a new layout or floating viewport. So there's some options for what you're going to be seeing. Layouts we'll talk about later in the course, but in terms of viewports, you can always just open a viewport that you can just be navigating around your project in, and you'll be seeing, oh, this is something I want to look at in this view. We'll be talking about views shortly. I just want you to know how to navigate around the basic interface. I'm the Studio is glad to bring you this episode from our Complete Rhino Guide Series. If you enjoyed this content, give the video a like and subscribe to the Studio channel and click the bell for the latest notifications. For a link to our latest Complete Rhino Guide course, see the links in the description below. See you in the next episode.